In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display a post in WordPress to a particular page or category. If you've ever found yourself fumbling around WordPress trying to figure out how to direct your posts to a specific page or category, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into it with a step-by-step guide to make this process as easy as possible. First off, head over to wordpress.com. You'll want to locate the login button, usually at the top right corner. Click on it and this will bring you to a familiar sign-in screen. Now for simplicity, let's continue with Google. This step not only saves time but also makes your login process secure and straightforward. Go ahead and choose your Google account. This will automatically sync your login credentials, making the access process seamless. Once you're logged in, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Here's where the real work begins. Locate the post section in the menu on your left. Once you click on that, you'll notice several options including categories. Click on categories, and this is where you can decide how your content will be organized. Within the categories screen, you'll see a list of all the categories you've created. Here's a little tip. If you haven't already set up the categories, you might want to add a new category that suits your content needs. Once you find the desired category, you'll want to set it as the default by clicking on Set as Default. This setting ensures that whenever you create a new post, it automatically associates with this category. After setting your category, look towards the top of the screen and find your website name, which should appear at the top left corner of the ribbon. Clicking that will take you directly to your site. Once there, click on Visit Site to see everything live as it appears to a visitor. Next, on the top ribbon, there's an option called Edit Site. Click it. Now, you're in the editing mode of your site. Keep an eye out for a button marked Add at the top left. Click on Add and a search box will appear. There should be an option here to type in whatever you're looking to add. Type in category and you'll see options filling up. You want to click on Categories List. By clicking this, the list of categories that you've set, including your default category, will now display. This feature allows your site to automatically showcase posts under that category, organizing your content and making it easier for visitors to find what they're looking for. And there you have it. Integrating your post into specific categories and displaying them on the ideal page is an effective way to manage and showcase your content to the right audience. Explore these features further to enhance the organization and functionality of your site. Thanks for following along and see you in the next tutorial.